Did you know that the average driver spends a shocking $600 per year on tire replacements? Most of this expense is due to premature tire wear, an unnecessary cost. But what if you could significantly extend the life of your tires and save some of that money? Maintaining your tires isn't just about saving money, it's also a crucial aspect of vehicle safety. Worn tires can lead to dangerous situations, affecting braking and handling abilities. Regular tire maintenance is key for safety and cost efficiency. Luckily, there are several DIY ideas that can help you keep your tires in top shape. You don't need to be a mechanic to extend the life of your tires. Here are 5 genius DIY ideas that anyone can do. Firstly, we have proper inflation. It's as simple as it sounds, but it's often overlooked. Tires with the correct amount of pressure perform better, last longer, and increase your vehicle's fuel efficiency. So, make it a routine to check your tire pressure at least once a month and before long trips. It's a simple step that can save you a lot of money and headaches down the line. Next up is regular rotation. Tires wear differently depending on their position on the vehicle. Rotating your tires regularly ensures they wear evenly, which can prolong their life considerably. The general rule of thumb is to rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles. So, mark your calendar or set a reminder on your phone. Thirdly, alignment checks. Misaligned tires can cause uneven tire wear and even affect your vehicle's handling. While you might need a professional to realign your tires, you can keep an eye out for signs of misalignment. These can include your vehicle pulling to one side or your steering wheel vibrating. If you notice these signs, it's time to schedule an alignment check. Inspecting for damage regularly comes in fourth. Punctures, cuts, bulges, and other tire damage can lead to bigger problems if left unattended. Make it a habit to give your tires a quick once-over every week. Look for anything out of the ordinary and get it checked out as soon as possible. Finally, avoid overloading your vehicle. Your tires are designed to carry a specific maximum load. Constantly exceeding this limit can cause your tires to wear out faster. Always adhere to your vehicle's load capacity, which you can find in your vehicle's manual. But out of these 5, there's one that stands out as the most effective. So, which of these ideas can make the biggest difference in tire longevity? It's a regular rotation. Regular rotation ensures even wear and tear across all tires, preventing premature balding of any one tire. It's a simple yet effective strategy that anyone can carry out at home with the right tools. All you need is a car jack, a lug wrench, and a bit of elbow grease. And just like that, you've significantly extended the life of your tires. So there you have it, 5 genius DIY ideas that can help you save money and drive safer. Let's quickly recap. Regular inflation checks, tire rotation, alignment checks, and 2 other brilliant strategies can significantly extend your tire's lifespan. Remember, you're in the driver's seat when it comes to tire maintenance. By implementing these simple steps, you not only preserve your wallet but also ensure a safer ride. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more maintenance tips and tricks to keep your vehicles in top shape.